Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you? This is One Honey Bell. One Honey Bell Kitchen, yes. So, I'm going to make some brunch this morning. I have some Dr. Fish here. Dr. Fish, I don't know how much of you is used to it. And it has one straight bone. It don't have a lot of bones. I'm gonna steam it my way. I'm trying something different today with the steaming. I have some garlic here, then I have some tomato, onion, I have a little parsley, I have some okra, I have some radish, and some scallion. I think I might put a little piece of ginger also, you know. So as I go on, and a little pimento all-purpose seasoning. So not all-purpose seasoning, pimento, allspice. I meant to say allspice, because pimento is the same thing as allspice for those of you who do not know it. So as I go on making my Dr. Steam Fish, I'll show you what's going on in One Honey Bell Kitchen. Yeah, 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 yeah. I also put some thyme. I have my pot and I put in about 2 ounces of water, not too much. And I put it in my seasoning. I put in the seasoning at the bottom, so that the flavor of the seasoning will come up in the fish. Maybe I should put another little bit of water. 3 ounces of water. I'm gonna lay my fish right on top like this. Nice. Butterfish. Some people call them butterfish. I'm gonna put some butter on top. Oops. Sorry about that. I'm gonna put like some butter on top, you know, so it melts. And if you look, the fish is slit the sides of the fish like this, so the butter is just gonna melt and it's just gonna be mellow. Just mellow nice. This was so nice the last time we have it, so that's why I decided to do it, and I want to show you guys the video so you can make it for yourself. Come on, try something new, something different. God make all of these fish in the sea for us to eat. They are all fish, you know. They might look different, but they're fishes. So as I go on, I'm gonna cover this now. I'm gonna cover it, and then I'll show you later what's going on in One Honey Bell Kitchen. Yes. So the butter is melting, and if you look, it is simmering down, just bubbling a little bit if you look closely, and the butter is melting. Smell good? So my Dr. Fish is finished steaming. You know, it have all the juices. You see the okra, tomato, the bell pepper, everything just cooked down, and it tastes amazing. Let me taste a little bit. And tell you, just taste the gravy right now. Taste. Tastes amazing. All the seasons just infusing it. So good. So please subscribe and like to our videos and make some comments, and I will put the recipe in the description below. And I gave you the instruction already. Like when I'm making my videos, below I don't really leave a lot of instruction, because when I'm making my recipe, I'm giving you the instruction, you know, so I just leave like the recipe So subscribe, as I said before, and like and follow us on Instagram. Yes. Bye. Have a wonderful, pleasant day. God bless. Mwah.